Hello!
Hold me back, I just cannot wait any longer.
Ladies and gentlemen, and ladies, today, yes, today we are going to check out my order from the Xbox Design Lab. Actually, to be honest, I've had this for about 6 days or so. I just haven't had the time to record the video. So I placed the order on June 20th, and on July 9th, this showed up at my doorstep. I know they estimated that I'll receive it prior to July 16th or 17th, and they were 100% correct. So for those that haven't seen the video where I designed this controller, I'll make sure to put it in the cards above as well as in the description down below. And I highly suggest that you check out that video prior to spoiling it with this video right here. Don't worry, you can click on that link to watch that video, and we'll just be here waiting for you to return. Alright, so now that everybody's on the same page, you know what time it is. Boxy time. Alright, so we're going to do this real quick because the box is pretty much going to be the same as every other Xbox Series S or X controller. The big difference, however, is going to be the box itself, as you're not going to see a picture of your controller on the front of the box. It's just going to be like this rainbow foil that they have because, yeah, everybody's controller might be a little bit different. So, yeah, this is just a generic way to cover the entire rainbow. On this side, it says what it's compatible with. And then on the back, it says wireless controller made with Xbox Design Lab. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls throughout the world, it's time. Yes, my friends, it's time to unveil the official, unofficial, Handsome Gadgets Xbox controller. Okay, so with the quick pull tab right here, the seal has been broken. Here we go, world premiere. Ooh. Okay, live and in color, we have the Handsome Gadgets Xbox controller. That is
Sweet!
So yes, so everything feels like a regular Xbox Series X, Series S controller. Except the difference in this one is I customized it. And let's just make sure, yes, they did spell my name correctly, so that is good. Here's a look at the back of the controller. We got that signature Handsome Gadgets color combination of the orange and blue. And another thing I didn't realize when I was placing the order, but I realized it after I placed the order, is what the color gray means. And that's also a representation of the channel as well. You see, gray, if you look at somebody and they have gray hair, gray symbolizes wisdom. I want you guys to be wise and informed with your purchases. That's why one of the key elements to making my videos is informational. So this controller is a spot-on representation of what I believe and what I want for the channel. All right, so let's just set this right here. That looks very nice. And let's see what else we get in the box. So we get some AA batteries, and we get our quick start guide and our product and regulatory guide. And there we have it, Handsome Nation, the Handsome Gadgets Xbox controller. Thankfully, it was made just as I ordered, and it looks even better in person. So now that you've seen my custom controller, are you gonna make one on your own? Let me know in the comments down below. So while you're down there, you might as well like this video, share this video, share the content, of course, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel to be notified every time I go live or when I post new content. Oh, one more thing. Recently, we hit 10,000 subscribers. Yes, I know we're 11,000 something right now, but back then we were at 10,000 now. That was a big milestone. So we're doing a huge, massive, great, awesome giveaway. That's right, my friends, you can win a brand new Xbox Series S. So if you haven't entered, or maybe you want to enter again, I'll make sure to put a link to that video in the cards above, as well as in the description down below. Thank you and have a good one.